Most seniors believe that aging alone is responsible for their declining health, the fatigue, the aching joints, the fading memory. But the truth is far more surprising. It's not age that kills, it's the small, unnoticed habits that quietly erode life from the inside out. These are the silent lifestyle traps, daily routines so ordinary that they seem harmless, yet over time, they drain vitality, weaken immunity, and accelerate the aging clock. The first trap is sedentary living. Many older adults spend most of their day sitting, watching TV, reading, or simply avoiding activity out of fear of falling or injury. Ironically, inactivity is what increases those very risks. Muscles shrink, bones weaken, and balance deteriorates. Even a 20-minute daily walk, light stretching, or gentle chair exercises can reignite the body's natural rhythm and prevent dangerous falls or stiffness. The second trap lies in poor eating patterns. Skipping meals, relying on processed foods, or eating too little protein are common mistakes. The body after 60 doesn't process food the same way. It needs nutrient-rich fuel to maintain strength and repair tissues. A diet rich in colorful vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and lean protein isn't just good advice, it's survival. Many seniors suffer silent inflammation due to excess sugar and processed oils, which quietly leads to heart disease and memory loss. Another subtle trap is chronic dehydration. The older you get, the less your body senses thirst. Seniors often drink too little water, leading to fatigue, confusion, or even falls. A dehydrated body cannot cleanse itself effectively, causing toxins to accumulate and cells to age faster. Simply drinking a few extra glasses of water daily can make the brain sharper and energy levels stronger. Then comes emotional isolation, a deadly trap that's often ignored. Loneliness doesn't just hurt the heart emotionally, it literally damages it physically. Studies show that social isolation increases the risk of early death as much as smoking or obesity. Seniors who stay engaged, through family, community activities, or even online social groups, live longer and happier lives. Connection keeps the mind alive and the spirit youthful. Finally, there's the trap of mental neglect, not challenging the brain. When routines become repetitive and predictable, the brain stops growing. This decline invites memory loss and cognitive issues. Reading, learning new skills, or even engaging in puzzles can keep the mind agile and delay mental aging. These traps work slowly, almost invisibly, but together they form a dangerous pattern, a quiet surrender to decline. The good news: each one can be reversed. Awareness is the first cure. By making small, consistent changes, moving more, eating cleaner, hydrating often, connecting deeply, and thinking actively, seniors can break free from these traps and experience a second, stronger chapter of life. Aging is inevitable, but decline is optional, and those who understand this truth are the ones who live not just longer, but better. Aging is often seen as a one-way path. Once you slow down, you stay that way. But new science and real-life stories prove something amazing. It's possible to reverse the effects of time through simple but powerful shifts in how you think, move, and live. The body has a remarkable ability to heal and renew itself, if you give it the right environment. These mind and body shifts don't require extreme diets or expensive treatments. They demand awareness, consistency, and a belief that age is not the end, but a new beginning. The first step to reversing time starts with the mindset. Seniors who view aging positively, as a stage of wisdom, growth, and strength, tend to live longer and healthier. This isn't a motivational quote, it's a biological truth. Positive thoughts lower stress hormones, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. On the other hand, fear, regret, and hopelessness trigger a constant stress response that weakens the immune system. By consciously shifting your focus from, "I'm getting old," to, "I'm growing stronger," you literally reprogram your body chemistry for vitality. The second shift is movement as medicine. You don't need to run marathons. Even gentle daily motion like walking, yoga, or dancing can turn back biological time. Exercise increases blood flow, delivers oxygen to every cell, and triggers the release of hormones that repair muscles and boost mood. One 20-minute walk can do more for longevity than any vitamin pill. The key is consistency. The body rewards regular effort with renewed energy and a sharper mind. Next comes rest and recovery, the secret most people ignore. Poor sleep is one of the fastest ways to age your body. During deep sleep, the brain detoxifies and the body regenerates. Seniors who maintain a calm bedtime routine, avoiding screens, dimming lights, and practicing gratitude, allow their systems to heal overnight. Quality rest is not laziness, it's nature's most powerful anti-aging therapy. Another life-extending shift involves nutrition and mindful eating. Eating slowly, enjoying natural foods, and avoiding overeating helps digestion and metabolism. Foods like berries, nuts, olive oil, and leafy greens are filled with antioxidants that fight cell damage. But what matters most isn't restriction, it's balance and awareness. When eating becomes an act of nourishment instead of convenience, the body responds with renewed strength and resilience. Finally, emotional energy defines longevity. Gratitude, laughter, and love are not abstract emotions, they are biological rejuvenators. They lower blood pressure, improve immunity, and release endorphins, the body's natural, youth chemicals. Staying emotionally alive, through hobbies, family connections, or even simple acts of kindness, keeps the inner spark glowing. Reversing time isn't about looking younger, it's about feeling younger. Every small, conscious shift, in thought, movement, rest, food, and emotion, sends a signal to your body that life is still expanding, not shrinking. And that signal alone can add not just years to your life, but life to your years.